Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 2007 Ford Mustang. This is a factory GT500 convertible car, one of very few ever made in this color scheme. Now this car has less than 39,000 original miles on it, and we're happy to bring it to you today. Now if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of it, and then we'll get it out on the highway for you as well. One of the first things you're going to notice is this car is set up with the Eleanor Body Kit, so we've got the aftermarket hood here. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down the driver's side, and you can see that these body lines flow beautifully here from the front all the way to the rear. Now as you make your way around the driver's side, you'll also notice that we got the side exiting exhaust pipes here with the ground effects. Now before we go on around, I want you to come on up and we'll take a look here at the interior. On the inside of this car, it's done in black, which is a gorgeous complement to this exterior Vista blue with the white stripes. As we look across the dash, you can see everything is in excellent condition, and it's obvious that this car has been well taken care of. Now as we come on around, you can see the door panels and the seat covers look like they're brand new. You'll also notice we got the console, which houses the 6-speed shifter. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue around the outside. You'll notice that this car does have the black convertible top, which we do have down right now. You can also see that these white stripes do a beautiful job of accenting this Vista blue all the way down, and that we have the GT500 emblems here on the rear as well. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down the passenger side, and you see that this body is straight as an arrow. Now as you come on around the passenger side, you'll notice that the stance on this Mustang is set off by a custom set of 20-inch wheels. We also have new tires, and you can see that this Vista paint has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine, and that it's accented by the GT500 stripes down low, and we also have the Cobra emblem here on the fender. Now if you want to come on up, we'll take a look at the driveline of this Ford. Under the hood, it features the original 5.4-liter dual overhead cam V8. It's got the supercharger. Now this car is also set up with a Tremec 6-speed trans, as it would have been from the factory. As you can see, everything in this engine bay has a gorgeous detail, as would be expected of a car with less than 39,000 original miles. And whenever you look underneath it, it's just as impressive, with everything being original and clean. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Mustang, we'll get it out on the highway so you can get a close look at it out there as well. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this Mustang started up, and then we'll get it out there for you.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.